the range. That was the low. I said there was a minor buy side here, and then this inefficiency right here, and I taught you that PD array, which is two SIBIs connected with the volume and bounce in the middle. So you have to do the entire thing. It trades right up to it, bumps the bottom of it, and I said we had to watch and see because why? If you look at the high to that low, that's in the upper quadrant or OTE, optimal trade entry. So you have to see if it can go up there and trade into it. And if it does, we wait for it to trade the upper half and then stay outside the lower half. And then you would expect it to run higher. But it didn't even do that, did it? Where did it trade to? Right to the low of it. And now we're seeing what? Sensitivity. It trades from the low. Why is it so sharp selling off? Because we had the inability to get to this eighth on the opening range gap from yesterday's regular trading hours opening range gap. So it hit the low of it, had no interest at all putting a body inside the range. It trades from the low, traded lower, broke through another sharp selling off because down to another eighth. Liquidity is resting right below here with this eighth level down here on, what is that price? On the opening range gap from yesterday's regular trading hours opening range gap. So it hit the low of it, had no interest at all. So now by having inside the range, very realistic. Here's what, if you're brand new, this is what you're thinking right now. Down to another. I can see how liquidity is outlined that. You outlined that right there, and yeah, it went down here. Okay, but look how nice and hard they're dropping here. That's the move I want to have. You already are proving that you don't want to learn. Had no interest. So now by having you want the greener grass on the other side of the fence. Here's what you want the prettier girl across the room that you just started dating a really nice lady tonight. Okay, and then you show up to your venue and you're getting ready to have dinner and you look across the room and you see somebody else that's beautiful. Now you're already acting like a dog. You sniff around somebody else's yard because you can't be content with what you have. I promise you, if you have that mentality, that's why young men, they fail a lot at this. They fail a lot at this because they don't understand how they can be content. If you can find the ability in yourself to frame a measurable outcome that doesn't have moving parts that change and morph and to do all these different things all the time, where it's always impossible for you to know what you're doing. In other words, you frame a model that's useful, it's simple. How is